In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Loom profile circle border size 2026, step by step. If you've ever wanted that webcam bubble in Loom to feel a little subtler or a little bolder, this walkthrough is for you. Loom doesn't offer a separate slider just for the circle's border thickness, but there are two reliable controls that change how that border looks on screen, resizing the webcam bubble while recording, and if it's available in your version, switching the camera shape to remove the circular border entirely. Start by heading to Loom and opening the recorder. Choose your preferred capture mode, screen and camera is the most common, and then start recording. As soon as you begin, you'll see your webcam circle overlay appear on top of your screen. If you don't see it, make sure the camera toggle in the recorder is turned on before you hit record. To adjust how that border presents itself, hover your mouse over the edge of the webcam circle until you see the resize handles. Click and drag inward to make the bubble smaller or outward to make it larger. As you change the overall size, the circle's outline scales with it, which indirectly makes the border feel thinner when the bubble is big and more pronounced when it's small. Release to lock in the size, then click and drag from the center of the bubble to move it anywhere on your screen. Try placing it away from captions, toolbar elements, or critical buttons so it doesn't block anything important. You can pause your recording, tweak the size and position, and resume to keep everything smooth. If you'd prefer to remove the circular border altogether, open the Loom recorder and look for your camera settings. Depending on your app version, you may see an option to change the camera shape. Switch from circle to rectangle. Choosing rectangle eliminates the circular border, giving you a clean straight edge camera window. You can still resize and reposition it the same way, so you keep full control over how much space your camera takes up without the circular outline. A couple of quick tips before you wrap up. Record a short test clip to confirm the size looks right on different screens. Double check your lighting and framing after resizing so you remain centered, and leave comfortable margins so the bubble doesn't crowd your content. That's it. Resize to influence the look of the border, or switch to rectangle if you want no circle at all. With these controls, you can match your webcam style to your presentation every time.